site where a COVID vaccination clinic is set up.
Thank you for the food.
Anytime, whenever you need anything, a part of that.
Oh, no, that's so kind of you. Thank you.
Also happy to have you all. Yeah.
Wow.
Right. So, like, what do you want us to carry? This one? Everything. I will give you quite a few.
Clinic vaccinates between 700 to 900 people on a daily basis. The doctors, nurses and volunteers are working really hard to vaccinate as many people as possible. We would like to thank everyone around the country who was working really hard at these difficult times to vaccinate the priority groups. Mustafia Sharif and TV49 News has taken the initiative to support this clinic by providing food to all key workers and volunteers who are working non-stop in these clinics. We organised and provided lunch and drinks to all key workers so they can work efficiently. The community is standing beside them through food donations provided by Mustafia Sharif Charity and TV49 News. Thank you to everyone who donated, helped and supported us. Please follow the government guidelines on social distancing and keep everybody safe. We have been involved in charity work for the last 12 years. If you would like to volunteer or help in any way to support our work, please contact with us, mscharity.org or TV49 News.
Thank you so much for this lovely food. Thank you.
Hi, this is a message for TV49 News. My name's Vicky, I'm the clinical lead at one of the vaccination centres in Longside, and we just want to say a really big thank you for providing us with the food for our volunteers and for our staff. It's really appreciated. We're having vaccinations for up to 700 people a day here, and we've got lots of staff working, lots of people giving up their free time, so it's brilliant that you were able to support us, to support our volunteers, so thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Karen. I'm one of the doctors here at the Jain Center doing the COVID vaccines. Welcome to my pod. I've got my vaccine station all set up here, lovely stickers to give to our fantastic patients. Just want to say thanks so much for the food that you've donated, much appreciated.
Mian Aamir Ali, TV49 News, Manchester, UK.